Hello once again. So right now we are looking at the law of diminishing returns. So diminishing, it's a decrease. Returns, take it as your profit. And marginal, it's an additional. So let us see the textbook definition. The textbook says it is an increase in one factor of production that leads to lower returns. So returns are your profits. When we increase our factors of production, then our returns lowers. Then how does that happen? How do we get lower profits where else we are increasing our factors of production? It must lead to productivity. Let us see an example. So let's say, for example, we are owning a gardening service known as Shaba's Gardening Service. We have 1 unit of labor doing all the work and 1 truck as our capital and some equipments needed to do the gardening services. So let's see an example of how diminishing returns occur in our business. Let's say, for example, with 1 unit of labor, we are able to do 5 houses, then we decide to hire 1 more. Then we are able to do 15 houses. As the graph continues, there is an increase in our productivity up to a point we are able to do 30 houses. So as we can see that there is a decrease in our returns. When we hire 1 unit of labor, there is a change of production of 5. When we add an additional labor, we have a change of 10. When we change to another additional labor, we have a change of 5. So there is a decrease from 10 units as our returns to 5. So that's diminishing returns. Then when we add another labor, we have a change of 5. The more we add, then we have a change of 3 now. The more we add, we have a change of 2. So what causes that? The thing is, in the short run, we are increasing our labor only. We are not increasing the capital, we are not increasing other factors of production. So that leads to the diminishing marginal returns, because the more we hire labor and not increasing our capital, then we will not be productive, because there will be a constraint, as we mentioned, there will be a constraint on the capital used. But the more we hire capital, let's say Chava decides to hire more trucks and more equipments, then they will be able to be productive and produce efficiently and not waste some resources. So that was the lesson on the law of diminishing, or the principles of diminishing returns. It's an increase in one factor of production leading to a decrease in the returns or your profits.